So here's how we level up from just cleaning to a little bit of maintenance. So we're going to be talking about shower screens, and what we're going to need is just a short screwdriver, flathead. Okay, so let's get the camera to get under here to see what we're looking at. Okay, so this is something to do towards the end of the day. We are just unscrewing, very simple, and just waiting that to pop off. Now, the shower screen will typically be a lot dirtier than this, but it is a relatively new machine that we got here. And what we want to do now is just hit it with hot water and clean it with a clean cloth. Okay, so placing it under our hot water tap, hitting it, and now with a clean cloth. Okay, so now we're going to be screwing it back in, and this is how I like to do it. Get a screwdriver and just place it in the groove, and we thread it back on. The more you do it, the easier this will become, as anything. And we just want to do it hand tight, and we have cleaned our shower screen and went that extra step. It's probably worth knowing if your shower screen isn't held up by a screw, you probably won't be able to take it out and give it a clean regularly. To compensate for that, I suggest back flushing more often. Keep an eye on Evolve North Coffee Roasters on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn for more tips.